Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Ka jingwan jong ka Synod hakashnong Rangskhen kabalalong hau benai leber mentau snem kalalong ka jinggerku bat ka jing Myntoi yeki Paidbah nong shnong jong ka nikashnong namar ba ka jingwan jong ka Synod kalawan raru yeki kampen roy hakashnong Rangskhen hakaba kalayo ya ka surok daubilat hapo shnong ka badan haringkat ki jingker kenro bar kalayo ru ya ka jaka penyeng kali ka bajanai ya kini ka projek la Plie Paidbah haka khandai tri uyayong ajak punriu haka bau commissioner and secretary jong ka sarkar jilla u Dr. Vijay Kumar DIAS ulalong kumukongsan ha ringkat ka jingadan lang u director ka tenat community and rural development u Secy dhu ha ringkat ka jingadan lang ru kinongkit kam ka balang bat kinongkit kam jong ka dor bar shnong Rangskhen lalaban penurlong ya kini ka projek da ka jingkershan lang jong menterong ba ka jilla konrat kongkal sangma ubalat haulat kumnu ban mang pisa kerpang na ka bentaban penbit penbiang ya ka surong.
Respected Chairman, Honorable Chief Guests, distinguished guests of honor, and invitees, respected elders and dear members of Shnong Rangskhen. Today marks a significant and memorable day for our community as we gather here for the unveiling of the tablet of the fencing our boundary wall. This project stands as a clear reflection of our unity. I would like to express our sincere gratitude and warmly welcome our esteemed Chief Guest Dr. Vijay Kumar, Commissioner and Secretary Government of Meghalaya, for kindly accepting our invitation and gracing this occasion despite his busy schedule. I also extend a heartfelt welcome to our respected guest of honor, Shri C.B. Sadhu Sir, Director, Community and Rural Development Department, for his valuable presence and continued support towards rural development initiatives. I would also like to warmly welcome our BDO from Moklang Block, Smithy P. Shisha Madam, welcomes you to this event.
Vijay Kumar bagi video terletak dalam ni dalam eksekutif kunci jangka senang tingkat ke jangka kam jong di kepala. Buat kam kam yang kini beliau di lepai atau terbelah kodan pada orang bagi ni nak benda yang beliau beri di surat kenal yang ni siapa lebih berlecau kau. Dekat no kesenang ini terus surat di kuman ke kau bagi Vijay Kumar beralak berdaya di dalam ti. Buat kam kam yang nak yang jungi kum kesenang. Dengan suatu bagi negara sepuluh nak pergi di dunia ke dunia pada senang berjuni. Kerana kata kadang kerpakan ini Vijay Kumar yang orang kisah bersekolah berjarak lebih ini saat orang impinyo yang kemudian festival buat yang training center. Data ini kita lihat yang kemudian sebut.
Respected Chief Guest of today's program, Dr. Vijay Kumar, Commissioner Secretary to Government of Meghalaya. And with me, Kong Tolino is there. She is the BDO in charge for the time being as a part of, she is a new IAS officer as a part of her training. She is now BDO in charge for Moklang Block, who is also here. And all EC members who are present here. And Baka Singh, who has spoken before me. And all Secretary Shnong, and all Shnong members, all community members, all people of this locality who are present here for this program of unveiling of tablet of fencing and boundary wall. In fact, we are as a department, we are very honored to take part in this project. And just after coming here, we saw this project, how it has been executed, and I'm very happy to see the execution of our project in a very short span of time and with very good quality, and I would like to appreciate and acknowledge the efforts of all community members.
You are doing a lot of good work in partnership with the CNRD department, in partnership with Clem project and all the projects. So in Meghalaya, one of our biggest strengths is that the community is very strong. Because community, whether it is the institutions, whether we have Darbar Shnong and all the institutions, the institution of the women, Senglong Khmer, Senkinte, all these institutions are so strong. So government wants to build with and work with those institutions. So I think that is the model. That's why now our NREGS is doing so well, because the VEC is very strong. So I think again, in any village we go to, we see that power, and in this village I think the strength of your institutions is visible. I'm very happy that you are doing such good work. So please continue doing, and government will support. The third and most important point I want to make is also that, so I think you're all very generous. You have given me a lot of credit, I think, for making this project happen. It's a small project, but it's a very important project. But I think the biggest credit should go to our Chief Minister. So our Chief Minister, Mr. Conrad K. Sangma, so he is the one who created all these schemes through which this funding support can come to villages. When there is a need, so there is money available, there is a scheme available through which we can create this, opportunities and make these small projects successful. So I think we should all thank our Chief Minister, because the youngsters are here. So for all of you, I think the state is building a number of opportunities. You are very lucky because you are close to Shillong, which is the state capital. So and as big projects of the state government become successful, you can take advantage of that. And as I said, tourism is a potential area. There is a lot of Soyong. We are making some new infrastructure in tourism. More projects will come. So Baz asked about a sports project. We will examine that. We'll check what we can do for that also. So like this, the government's vision is that every village, and to take the state forward. Okay. Thank you so much, and God bless you. Thank you.
Thank God that He given me this opportunity to deliver a word of thanks.
It's a good start to your innings.
Thank you so much, sir. Great.
Good. Hi. Your son, how old?